Alright, so we're going to look at phosphate this week as our polyatomic ion of the week. And phosphate is made of the element phosphorus. So remember, when we say phosphate, that means this whole ion. Phosphorus is just the elements that you've been learning on the periodic table, and it's a nonmetal. That phosphorus element is bonded to 1, 2, 3, 4 oxygens. And this entire structure, the phosphorus and 4 oxygens, so a total of 5 atoms, takes in 3 electrons to create bonding. And just in review, anions are any ion, poly or monatomic, that is negative. Cations have this handy dandy little T in here that looks like a positive, or they're plus. So that's kind of just a nice trick to help you. All right, so that's a review. So that is the formula. We have phosphate, a polyatomic anion that is known as a anion or negative polyatomic ion. Okay, so that is its shorthand formula. So what about its leads? Its leads is going to follow the octet rule again. And so I've kind of pre-drawn out the phosphorus in the middle, and 1, 2, 3, 4 bonded pairs. So remember, the line represents 2 electrons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? So this oxygen has 8, and so does every oxygen. So let's count the phosphorus. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's 8 electrons around phosphorus. So this is a good picture of the octet rule, but we have to remember this is an anion. So we've got to tell the reader that this Lewis electron dot structure brought in 3 outside electrons. I don't care which ones they are. We can just pick 3 random ones. I made them those. That makes this a 3 negative ion. It has 3 extra negative ions. It's fine if you just keep them the same color. And again, it's a recognition that 3 of the dots, doesn't matter which 3, came from the outside, making this an anion. This is our polyatomic ion, phosphate's leads, and our polyatomic ion's formula for phosphate.